This is a general purpose guide for repair people. Before you start, you will need to make sure you have a Phillips screwdriver and a large rubbish bag or bucket. Start by emptying clothing and unplugging the power from your washing machine. Lay the rubbish bag down to catch the water. Next, open the bottom latch and unscrew the filter plug. Up to 6 litres of water could drain out, so you may need a bucket to help you carry this. Dispose of the bag when no more water flows out. Lay the machine on its back so the bottom is accessible. Unscrew these 3 screws. Once you have unscrewed the pump, you will need to use your fingers to clean the fan. Clean out any waste inside the pipe before screwing the attachment on. Make sure all parts are reattached, then set your machine to an empty wash. Thank you for choosing to shop at Trade Depot. If you have any issues, please contact Trade Depot's warranty number.